Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today I was just scrolling Binance a little bit and finally saw that our Doge trade on USDT got finally hit. Did really take a while to get hit, but it was finally hit and instantly profit target, so it turned out to be a good trade as well. But today we're actually going to be located at Dusk, right? Dusk Network. We covered it before. Actually, we covered it like 2 or 3 times, and I think we had a couple of trades on it, and they turned out pretty well. So why not continue the streak on it, right? But before we start with Dusk, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch the notification button, right? So that you get our videos on your front page, and we do them every day except on Sunday. Now back to Dusk, right? I mean, definitely an interesting chart. Got listed on Binance, did quite well, but then started going right back to the position where it firstly started pumping from, and already the dispositions when they're returning back from a big bump and they're coming right back down, they usually are good positions to take a trade at, and it's no difference right now. So the area rate came really close right now, so that's why this might not be filled anymore, but there will be another opportunity if that is the case. So the first position right now is going to be down here, located down here. Let's see what kind of stop loss are we looking at. It is a little bit on a lower side when it comes to USDT, but it should still have a pretty solid stop loss. Let's see. So that would be our buy zone and our stop loss. Yep. As expected, it's about 14%. Wait, I'm going to move it just a little bit down. Gonna level it out and gonna put it... yeah, I'm gonna put it under this week actually. I do want it for safety, to be honest. So yes, it is about 17% stop loss. It's not the best stop loss that we ever had, but again, when you look at a stop loss like this, sometimes it actually gives you a pretty good profit targets, right? So in this case, the profit targets will have to be located, the first one actually, will have to be located where we're currently making a standoff, right? Because this is going to be an important area. If we ever come down here, like the longer we go sideways here and we ever come down here, then this is going to be another important area for us to tag or gain, in that case, to get some higher. So yes, I will be placing my first profit target in expectations that we will have some sideways here. I'm going to be placing it right here and seeing where the price is going to go, if it touches and fills us and then goes, right? Obviously this can still change, right? Because we are just looking at a kind of a future right now, predicting stuff, right? And predictions are mostly not good. So yes, we're still predicting at this point, but basically it pretty much stands, right? So that is 1.8R or sorry, 31% move on the entire coin, which is pretty good if you ask me to begin with, right? The second profit target, again, is not going to be too much far off from the first one. I mean, it's still going to be a decent amount because, as you can see, it's 58% or 3.3R. It's still a decent amount, but it's nothing crazy, to be honest, right? And the last profit target is going to be located right up here, and that is then again 110% on entire coin move or 6R, which turns out to be a really good trade if that happens, right? So this profit target right here, it's questionable when you see an alt like this, right? It is questionable, I'm not going to lie to you. But when you have these two profit targets, these two are quite common from a position where you stand to react right now, are pretty common. Now, obviously speaking, I do expect the bull run is going to continue, right? I do expect the bull run is going to continue, and we will talk more about this today on our stream. So you're welcome to join that one as well. And if the bull run continues, the last profit target is probably going to be hit as well, because alts will have a reaction. But yes, like I said, we will check Bitcoin today, Bitcoin dominance and everything on the stream, so we kind of see where the Bitcoin is going to be heading or what kind of future plans for it are, right? So there's another opportunity here. So let's just say, for a reason, if this doesn't fill us anymore, right? Because this is going to now turn bullish, it doesn't fill us anymore. What can you really do in that case, right? Well, in that case, what you can do, you have to wait for it, because if it's not going to fill us, it's probably going to go to down here, around here, and then it's going to hold this position, right? It's going to hold this position. And if it starts doing something like this and touches back up right here, then we are going to be filling it around this position. and hopefully the first profit target and this, and you know, hopefully this. And this is basically how a secondary trade is gonna look like. I mean, again, prediction, we'll have to see what the price action turns out, you know, but it's usually is how this also work. So if this one comes, I guess I'll do a next video on it, and so that we don't miss the trade, and then kind of see what's gonna happen with that one as well, right? So yes, guys, that would be pretty much it. Subscribe to our channel, please like the video, right? Share it with your friends, and also, you know, join us at 4C Telegram community, right? Where we do these trades daily. We do analysis of Bitcoin daily, and you know, show you how to move stop losses, show you how to move profit targets, or when is the time to move the profit targets, everything that you need to know, right? And yeah, that will pretty much be it, and we will be seeing each other in the new one.